Good day, Mr. B here, and I wanted to take a minute to show you some of the features of our new school information system. Sometimes it will be referred to as the parent portal, So I'm going to log in the same way any other parent would, because I am a parent at ACIS as well. And once I log in, you'll get your account information from our school information officer shortly. Once you've created your account and you log in, this is the first page you see. It's called your home page. Americana Chinese International School welcomes me, and it tells me that today is a school day. And here are the events for the week. The next thing, down here towards the bottom, you'll see a list of all of the students that are in your family. I only have one, John, so it comes up Pyridon Bauman John. 8th grade. He has 6 classes today, starting at 8 and ending at 3:45. So at this point, most of us would be clicking on the student that we want information on. And that can be the schedule, how to talk to their teachers, their grades and assignments. So I click on my son John, and his information for today comes up Wednesday, September 4th. All of the classes that he's going to have today. He's grade 8 Flames, he's got science with Miss Arnado, team sports with Mr. Murray, creative writing, mathematics, and on and on. So this is his schedule for today. And one of the really nice features here is that if I want to speak with any of his teachers and I have an issue, I go directly to that teacher. No more having to go through a TA and find the information. If there was some question I had about his creative writing class, I go directly to Mr. Singh, his creative writing teacher. I click on the email icon and I can send a message to Mr. Singh. If I have a question about what happened in math today or math homework, I easily go over here to Mr. Soidekin, his math teacher, and I click right on there and I can speak with Mr. Soidekin. Simply click the icon. It says you're sending a message to Melly Soidekin. The subject, John's homework. And now I can say whatever I want to Mr. Soidekin. I can add an attachment and make sure I get an own copy of this email. Hit send and it's on its way. And that's really the communication system we want to use so that you can speak directly to the teachers who are teaching your student and get that answer quickly and get a full answer. Okay? I'm going to go back to the home page real quick, and you can see Pyridon Bauman. And there's a few options up here to do. Right now he has no missing or upcoming assignments, so that's nice. He's been able to keep up on all of his work. Here in classes, I get another list of his classes for the day, and here they are. And once again, the teacher's name, and I can email him directly from the class list. Okay? So that's another nice feature that's available to you. His attendance, let's see how he's doing. He was sick one time so far this year. So he has been absent one time, and he's been present 15. And report cards, he doesn't have a report card yet for this year. But all of this is available for you to check anytime. And most importantly, to communicate with the teachers. You'll also see a feature over here called Message Teachers. So if you already know all of the teachers and who's teaching your student what, I can click on Message Teachers. Now if I wanted to message all of his teachers, I could put the message in here. John's going to be absent because he's going to immigration. Or I can select which teacher I want the message to go to. Oh, I know this is about his English language arts, So I'm going to message Miss Annie and then send her the message. So we really tried to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to speak directly to the people who are teaching your son or your daughter. And most importantly, it is a secure system, so it meets all the requirements of the Thai Personal Information Protection Law. So we are really encouraging all parents, all guardians, to use the Alma system for their communications. You get the answer quickly, you get the full, complete answer directly from the teacher who is dealing with the situation or needs to know the information. But in the end, if you want to talk to anybody, you have a directory for the school. So you have a directory for the school. It has all the teachers from kindergarten to grade 12 in there. So if it happens to be an issue, maybe about a club or maybe about some other, and it's not a teacher actually on your son or daughter's schedule, you can still find all the teachers here in the directory file. So B, and then I come down here. There's Michael Bauman, he's the principal. I want to send this guy a message. Click on there and you send him a message. So it's really available, it's really much easier to use than Engage, and we hope that you'll all begin using it as soon as your accounts come out, which should be very, very soon. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions and your account is up and ready, send me an Alma email and I'll answer it as quickly as I can. Thank you.